It was something we really thought about from the very beginning, but we really felt that we needed to get our legs underneath of us and then really look at milk processing later. So it's taken some time, and really just the focus of some generations coming back to the farm was really what triggered, because this is really a long-term, lifetime investment for all of us. So that's really what triggered us to really to pull the trigger on milk processing and moving forward with that.
Okay, so you had no background. You studied ag business when you went to college. You work in sales. So it's not like you come to this with a background in chemistry or biology or anything like that. So you're having to learn it all, right?
No, correct. You know, but it's like the forces around me have just worked perfectly. I've had some of the most amazing people that want to see this work as almost as much as we do, that have really helped me, learn how to analyze milk samples for bacteria and learn how equipment works. I've really gained a mechanical mind that I don't feel I had before. So overall, I mean, I've had to learn a lot, but I've had a lot of really great people that have helped me.
So milk processing, for those of us that have no idea what that means, so you've got the dairy farm here. You're going to be able to take and use this milk in a different way now to make the ice cream that you produce here.
Correct. We pipe it over literally 20 feet over the ceiling into the milk plant, so it's super fresh. We homogenize it, we pasteurize it, we separate it to kind of standardize the cream. Some will be a full fat, so we won't separate some of it. But we're going to put it through the procedure to where we know that it's safe and it's of top quality. And then we'll package it in a container that the consumer can purchase here. Yeah, it'll probably from the farm to your doorstep within a day or two.
You're a third generation dairy farmer per se, and you're a young woman. Why do you want to do this?
You know, that's a tough question. It's not a tough question. You know, it's a legacy that my grandfather started. I grew up here. Dairy is something that I'm incredibly feel very strongly about. Even in my day-to-day job, my job is to go on farm, help farmers to know better and be better. And so I think being able to do this and be able to have a secure focus for our future and be able to have a family myself that could possibly be here and involved, I just think it's important. It's our way of educating the public about dairy and agriculture, and it's in my blood, like we said. Close.
You're on your way. Thanks for sharing that story with us.
Thank you.